it delivery. I'm so excited. Really. But I'm so excited. We've got a delivery. Getting sexy. Oh my darling. You know what? Actually, I hope this delivery doesn't disappoint me because I've been excited about it. And if all goes well, Nyangas and also my business. Nyangas. Anyway, we have a delivery and I want to unbox it, you guys. But first, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yolanda Dali. If you are returning bestie, welcome back bestie. I love you loads, Kesana. So I actually just came back from work. In fact, this delivery you figure in the Monza, but I couldn't. You figure earlier on, but I couldn't unbox. I said, yeah, let's see, let me work and then I need to do that. And you know what? I haven't. Okay, being like I check, so I haven't. So tell me born. I hope I'm not disappointed because I'm telling you, I'm happy. I really am not sure. Okay, I can't show you guys, but they've got a card, but I can't show you guys because this is a supply that I'm trying out for a new business venture, a possible new business venture. So I can't really show you guys, but I will show you guys I'm really not sure. I don't know how to feel about it. New week, who this? So this is a new supply that I'm trying out, but I'm not too sure, guys. Woo! It's a curly wig which I've been wanting. None of knew there was me testing how to supply it. As when you saw Valenta, guys. But you know what? Let me calm down. And let's see. Ish, but it's not giving. Like, what the heck? It's giving synthetic. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, million and a half. Also, this is not an 18-inch. It looks like 16-inch. I'm not sure. I really am not sure. I'm really not sure. Let me try and put it on and then we'll see.
24.
Ooh, that's nice. Bashuthile.
Hayi bashuthile nje, hayi ukutshela intombazana lapha hayi ngizotrenda ngizonpost. Hayi bebesinkile shame. Hayi so yinhle imoto yabo shame Nkosi yami.
Hey, mama, Nkosi yami.
Ithi nje intombazana njalo, hayi yinhle imoto yabo we.
Hi guys, welcome back. So where am I also? Oh yes, my grandparents bought a car, a new car. So right now we are headed to we headed to Gambashu. Oh my god, we headed to Gambashu for a celebratory braai and yeah, those are the vibes. I'll speak to you guys when I get there. Bye. ngingekho ushaya ihuthi kule. Yeah. Brand new. Lalela kusakhona no plastic. I'm not the owner of the car, I'm the car owner's granddaughter. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Hi guys, let us go to Groove. We outside. Period. Jesus, kakas, lila. Anyway, we outside. Let's go to Groove. Guys, don't mind this. Kuningi nje okwenzakala. Kuningi. Ngiyangazi man my ages, but let's go to Groove. We are outside. Period. Found it. Yeah. Hello Bangani Bommy, hope you guys are good. It is a Friday. You guys know what we do on Fridays. Anyways, Jesus. Where am I? Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. This is fudge. I don't like walking in front of people. But it's fine. Anyway, it is a Friday. And I don't want to say I'm going out, but yeah, something like that. We're at something cafe. Yeah. Yes, it's a thing. Guys, oh my goodness, we are at the beach. Jesus. I keep in the vlog like this. Anyway, we're at the beach. I think I did show you guys a few clips of the beach. And yeah, those are the vibes though. Hey besties, so I kind of like want to end off the vlog now. Yeah, like a lot has been happening. I know initially, okay, this vlog, first of all, I know it's all over the place. That's because things have just been really crazy and like really hectic and busy in Jayabo. And in the midst of everything, I'm also just trying to vlog and take in clips here and there. So that's why it's a bit, but I'll do better. I promise you guys I'll do better on my next vlog. For I think it's going to be a birthday vlog because my birthday's on Saturday. So I'll try and vlog the preps and the day or whatever I do. Yeah, so be sure to have subscribed and click the notification bell when I upload a new video. so I told you my vibes. But anyway, what I wanted to say is that I wanted to give you like ibizana lendelen. I'm brief, but like I just wanted to explain what was happening in this vlog and how or why the previous clip ended abruptly, like why Evelinji got. So obviously corner like things got hectic in a funny way though. It wasn't funny, but it was actually, let me not even talk about this because it needs a story time of its own, like hectic-ish. But okay, what I wanted to say is that yeah, I think let me close off this vlog. But there's something I wanted to say before this. Why did I forget so much? Damn. Okay, well, I've forgotten. I hope it's not something important because that's the whole reason of me picking up the camera, right? Oh, yes. What I wanted to say is that, guys, so I know that I was supposed to upload this vlog on Sunday. However, I didn't have electricity from Friday afternoon. It wasn't even afternoon. Episode. I didn't have electricity. There's something wrong with our meter. So I haven't been on my phone. I haven't been existing online ever since Friday episode. And so yeah, I couldn't do anything. I couldn't edit my vlog because I now guess and I'm church somewhere. And somewhere in Flipper there's also no Wi-Fi. It's just a lot. So I couldn't edit the vlog or do anything. I was just out of reach. So I'm so sorry about that. But however, I think I'm gonna upload this vlog like right now because this is the last clip and then I'm adding this clip and then I'm uploading, so you guys should get it today. I hope so. But it's not gonna be, yeah, it's definitely gonna be today or tomorrow morning. Yeah. But thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you loads, guys, and I love you besties. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what's funny? I realize that every time I say that with every video that I upload, I get more subscribers. In as much as obviously it's a bit slow, but I feel like the fact that I said it, it makes a difference. Because I say it, people do it, and you guys do like, yeah, you guys do comment as well. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Bye.